Hey, Didge Mama here. How are you, my dear Didge brothers and sisters, daughters and sons? I hope you're great and ready for tutorial number 10. This time it's all about the toot or trumpet tone. Depends how you call it. Basically, I'm talking about a note higher than your drone that your didgeridoo wants to amplify as well. Well, it's actually notes because there's many on top, but we're just going to use the first one for now. And I'm going to explain you 3 different ways of doing it, because for me there's 3 distinctively different ones. And the first one is changing of the lips. When I play a drone, it's basically yeah, and a toot, I'm gonna completely change the position of my jaw and the position of my lips, because my jaw is up when I play a drone, and when I play a toot, my jaw is a bit down and my lips are in. So out, in, up, down. And the nice thing is, I'm going to go closer. If my bottom lip is under my top lip, I'm going to blow a little line of air to my chin. And now you can see this hair is there and it's moving. So it's proving that I'm blowing down. And I feel it I feel the air touching my chin. So this is a toot. And this is also the reason I don't want you to play on the side, because then it's going to be something like... And it's very bad for your jaw because you're moving your jaw a bit like that. So no go. So didgeridoo in the didgeridoo in the didgeridoo, the toot. And the drone. You see, I'm changing the position of my lips and my jaw. So there's 3 exercises with this lip changing toot. And the first one is like I just did. I made a stop between the drone and the toot, and the drone and the toot, and the drone and toot. So exercise number 1. And you can already have some fun playing little melodies with that one. The second exercise with this one is without any stop. So you have sort of all these strange noises in between. So it's going to be something like... in the didgeridoo. And also try to make it super soft, because this is something that can be annoying for people around you. So try as soft as possible. That's a toot too. Okay, so then it also hardly costs any air, so that's good. The lips are perfect. Exercise number 3 is to do both exercises with your cheeks round and flat. So, and now I did everything flat, but also try it with puffed out cheeks. Try to keep them round, so you're actually putting your tongue to close your lips. The tongue is supporting the stop. And also with the noise in between, without stop. Yeah? So 3 exercises with the changing of the lips toot. Number Toot is the tongue toot, and I call it also Toot. And this one, we're gonna put the tip of our tongue between our lips. We're gonna create air pressure. You can do and then push air to your lips and try to hold it. So then you've created air pressure behind your lips. We're gonna do this with the tip of our tongue, and then I'm gonna pull back my tongue and close my jaw, and this sound is gonna appear. That's why I call it toop, because it sort of sounds like toop. It's a very nice percussive one, and it's almost sounds like a conga. Tung, tung, when you do it. It's super short. It's like when you have like a little hair or something on your tongue and you don't want to touch your tongue because corona time, they're dirty, whatever, and you want to get rid of that little piece. So it's like, that's the one. And make sure there's no extra air coming from your lungs, because that will make it longer and I think less nice, because that comes closer to the other tooth. So I'm gonna show you the difference. Extra air from my lungs, so it's only from your mouth. Yep. And now number 3 is while breathing in. So you can make a toot while you're doing circular breathing. Can you squeeze out air and breathe in at the same time? Now what we're gonna do is take this bottom lip under the top lip and squeeze out the air. Again, you have that line of air. Don't forget to breathe out in between. Line of air going to your chin. Funny faces. And in the didgeridoo, it's gonna be like... Find the speed, support it with your jaw, and see if you can make it. And no drone in the beginning until you can hit that toot, that it's really a toot. And if that's working, then you're gonna play a drone afterwards. So you start. Yeah? So 3 ways of doing the toot. Yeah. Good luck with it and have fun with it. And as you can see, I colored the G because I have 400 subscribers. Yay! Thank you so much for helping me achieve this. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and please keep doing so. Write me comments also about what you want for next week, and I will definitely consider it, seeing if it is a good option or not. And otherwise I will just follow my plan. And so thank you so much, my dear sisters and brothers and daughters and sons, and help me get those 1,000 subscribers, because the 1,000th subscriber, hey, I said it, is gonna have a free online lesson with me. Okay, catch you next week. Bye.